Are you looking to gain weight and build muscle? It's not just about hitting the gym hard, it's also about what you eat. The right diet can turbocharge your journey towards a stronger, healthier you. Today, we'll explore the top 5 foods known to aid muscle growth and weight gain. Red meat, milk, protein smoothies, nuts and nut butters, and rice, all packed with nutrients that help you bulk up. So, let's dive in and discover the top 5 foods for muscle growth and weight gain. First on our list is red meat. It's not just a delicious choice, but it's also packed with benefits for those looking to bulk up. The high protein content in red meat is a key player when it comes to muscle growth and weight gain. Plus, the generous dose of fats can provide the extra calories needed for weight gain. Let's not forget the vitamins and minerals like iron and zinc that nourish your body. So, including red meat in your diet can be a game changer for muscle growth and weight gain. Moving on, our next superfood for muscle growth and weight gain is milk. This common household item is a powerhouse of high-quality protein, vitamins, and minerals. What makes milk particularly special is its unique combination of whey and casein proteins. Whey protein is fast-acting, aiding in immediate muscle repair, while casein is slow-digesting, ensuring a steady supply of amino acids to your muscles over a longer period. So, don't underestimate the power of a glass of milk when you're working on those muscles. Next up, we have protein smoothies or shakes. These liquid meals are a powerhouse of nutrition, providing a rapid and easily digestible source of protein. Their convenience is unmatched, just blend and go. Plus, their versatility allows for the addition of other nutrient-dense ingredients like fruits, oats, and yogurt. This makes them not only a quick but also a customizable protein source. Thus, whether you're post-workout or on the go, protein smoothies or shakes can be a handy tool in your muscle growth and weight gain journey. Fourth on our list are nuts and nut butters. These crunchy delights and creamy spreads are packed with high-calorie content, making them an excellent choice for those trying to gain weight. Besides, they come loaded with healthy fats and proteins, elements essential for muscle growth. Whether you're popping a handful of almonds, spreading peanut butter on toast, or mixing cashew butter into your protein shake, you're fueling your body with the good stuff. Therefore, nuts and nut butters are a tasty and nutritious option for weight gain and muscle growth. Last but not least, we have rice. A powerhouse of carbohydrates, rice is a great food for those looking to gain weight and build muscle. It supplies the body with energy, fueling your workouts for optimal performance. Plus, it's easily digestible, making it a go-to food for many athletes. But here's the best part. Rice is incredibly versatile. It can be paired with virtually any meal, adding bulk without sacrificing taste. So, incorporating rice into your diet can fuel your workouts and aid in muscle growth and weight gain. So, there you have it. The top 5 foods for muscle growth and weight gain. To recap, we've got red meat, packed with protein and creatine, milk, a rich source of both protein and carbs, protein smoothies or shakes for a quick protein fix, nuts and nut butters full of healthy fats and protein, and rice, a low-cost carb source to support weight gain. Incorporating these foods into your diet can yield effective results. Remember, a balanced diet combined with regular workouts can help you achieve your muscle growth and weight gain goals. Stay healthy and keep pushing your limits.